सुप्रभात। दक्षिणी राजस्थान में मोहनलाल सुखाड़िया विश्वविद्यालय गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा का सार्वभौमिकरण, वैज्ञानिक उन्नति, राष्ट्रीय एकीकरण और सांस्कृतिक संदर्भ के संदर्भ में नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित कर रहा है। इसी उपलब्धि में प्रबंधन अध्ययन संकाय द्वारा आयोजित 3 दिवसीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन प्रबंधन अभ्यास का मानकीकरण, चुनौतियां और अवसर ICSMP 2021 संगमिल प्रभावशाली है। सम्मेलन के समापन सत्र में सभी विद्वत जन को सादर नमस्कार।
Good morning and greetings to all. It is a great pleasure to have you all for the farewell session of this very timely and important 3-day international conference on standardizing management practices, challenges and opportunities. Gracing the occasion are Chief Guest for the day, Professor R.K. Jain, Dean and Director JNIBM, Vikram University Ujjain, who will be joining us online. Guest of honor, Professor Arvind Kumar, ex-Dean, Faculty of Commerce, University of Lucknow. Guest of honor, Professor Uma Shankar Mishra, Professor and Head, Department of Management and Dean, School of Commerce and Management, School of Engineering, Central University of Rajasthan, Ajmer. Professor G.S. Rathod, Dean, College of Science, Mohanlal Sukhadia University. Overseeing the proceeds of today's event is Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Amrika Singh Sir. It gives me immense pleasure to once again introduce Professor Hanuman Prasad, Conference Chair, Director and Chairman, Faculty of Management Studies, MLSU, convener of this conference. We have Professor Karunesh Saxena of Faculty of Management Studies, Professor Anil Kothari sir, Faculty of Management Studies, Mohanlal Sukhadia University, who are part of the advisory committee. On behalf of the organizers, we are delighted to offer a gracious welcome to all of you.
जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती, तव चरणों प्रणमामः। परम सुशोभित सम्मानित मंच से विद्यादायिनी विचार एवं चिंतन के सार रूप परम उत्कर्ष को धारण करने वाली सर्वोच्च ऐश्वर्य से अलंकृत मां सरस्वती के समक्ष दीप प्रज्वलन का अनुरोध है।
You are all requested to stand in your respective places for Kul Geet of Mohanlal Sukhadia University.
संगम को कोटि नमन सत्यं शिवं सुंदरं की प्रतिमा कल्याणी विद्या विद्यामृतम् उपनिषदों की वाणी यह प्रताप की कर्म भूमि के माथे का चंदन मीरा का निष्काम भक्ति से है टूट बंधन श्री एकलिंग जी श्रीनाथ जी चार भुजा देवेश्वर सूफी संतों की धरती में आना एक ईश्वर वीर भूमि के ज्ञान तीर्थ का सागर शस्त्रबंधन यहाँ साधना रथ प्रतिभाएं ज्योतिर्मंत्र बने राष्ट्र धर्म का स्वर विजयी हो महिमावंत बने मुक्त गगन में आदर्शों की पुण्य ध्वजा फहरे जनमानस में ज्ञान ज्योति का दिव्य प्रकाश भरे ज्ञानदायिनी मूर्तिमंत महिमा का अभिनंदन युवा शक्ति हो सत्यनिष्ठ संकल्पित अंतर्मन वीर भूमि के ज्ञान तीर्थ का सागर शस्त्रबंधन शील ज्ञान विज्ञान करल संगम को कोटि नमन कोटि नमन कोटि नमन कोटि नमन
We are delighted to welcome the eminent panel with bouquet, Uparna and memento. I would first of all like to invite Professor Hanuman Prasad sir to greet and welcome Professor G.S. Rathore sir. I request Professor Karunesh Saxena sir to kindly welcome Professor Arvind Kumar. I invite Professor Anil Kothari sir to kindly welcome Professor Uma Shankar Mishra sir. I request Professor P.M. Yadav sir to greet and welcome Professor Hanuman Prasad sir. I request Dr. Rajshri Chaudhary madam to kindly welcome Professor Hanuman Prasad sir. I invite Professor Hanuman Prasad sir to welcome Professor Karunesh Saxena sir. I request Professor G.S. Rathore sir to kindly welcome Professor Anil Kothari sir.
राजस्थान में स्वागत की परंपरा में संस्कृति और सभ्यता की सुरभि का मिश्रण है। समापन सत्र में पधारे हुए अतिथियों के शुभागम पर स्वागत उद्बोधन के लिए प्रोफेसर अनिल कोठारी, एफएमएस, मोहल्ला सुखाड़िया विश्वविद्यालय से सादर अनुरोध है। प्रोफेसर अनिल कोठारी।
सुप्रभात, सभी को नमस्कार। इस 3 दिवसीय सेमिनार के अंतिम सत्र में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करते हुए मुझे अपार हर्ष हो रहा है। सर्वप्रथम आज की कार्यक्रम की अध्यक्षता कर रहे कार्यवाहक कुलपति प्रोफेसर जीएस राठौड़, डीन कॉलेज ऑफ साइंस का मैं स्वागत करता हूं। आपने इस समारोह में पधार कर आज हमारे फंक्शन की शोभा बढ़ाई है, इसके लिए हम आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। मेवाड़ शौर्य की नगरी, भक्ति की नगरी और सौंदर्य की नगरी उदयपुर में आप सभी लोगों का जो स्वागत कर रहा हूं मैं, उसके लिए इस कार्यक्रम के संयोजक हनुमान प्रसाद जी ने एक अथक प्रयास किया था और आज हम फिजिकल मोड में इतने लोग उपस्थित हैं, तो मैं आप सब लोग जो हैं फिजिकल मोड में उपस्थित हैं उन लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि पहले एक बार हनुमान जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां बज जाए, उनका एक जोरदार स्वागत और अभिनंदन हो जाए। इसके बाद मैं स्वागत की औपचारिकता पे आता हूं। आज सर्वप्रथम हमारे साथ ऑनलाइन जुड़े हुए माननीय प्रोफेसर आर.के. जैन साहब, रिटायर्ड डीन एंड डायरेक्टर JNIBM विक्रम यूनिवर्सिटी, जो हमारे इस प्रोग्राम के सूत्रधार हैं, जिनके कारण ये प्रोग्राम हुआ है, प्रोफेसर करुणेश सक्सेना के गुरुजी हैं। आपने ध्यान उस दिन मेमोरियल लेक्चर में सर ने गुरुजी का स्थान जो दिया था, भगवान के बराबर आपने स्थान दिया था सर ने उस दिन। तो सर आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत, अभिनंदन। आप किसी कारणवश फिजिकल नहीं पधार पाए, पर मैं फिर भी उम्मीद करता हूं आप वहां से भी हमारे साथ पूर्ण रूप से फिजिकल जुड़े हुए हैं और आपका आशीर्वाद हम सब लोगों को मिलता है। हम वक्त वक्त पर आपसे मिलते रहते हैं। आज के हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर प्रोफेसर अरविंद कुमार, एक्स डीन फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लखनऊ। आप लखनऊ से पधारे हैं। आप सोच सकते हो इस कोरोना काल में यहाँ पधारना ही आप हमारे लिए आपका स्वागत करते हुए हमें अत्यंत प्रसन्नता हो रही है। आपने जो कष्ट उठाया यहाँ पधारने के लिए, उसके हम आपको आपके आभारी और कृतज्ञ रहेंगे सर। आपने हमें इस फंक्शन के बारे में जब आपको सूचना दी गई और आपने सर्च स्वीकार किया, इसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत, अभिनंदन और आभार। दूसरे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर प्रोफेसर उमा शंकर मिश्रा, हेड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, डीन स्कूल ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड स्कूल ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ राजस्थान। आप गत 3 दिन से हमारे साथ हैं। आपने अपना अमूल्य समय हमें दिया है। इस अंतिम सत्र में सर आपका स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हुए मुझे अत्यंत हर्ष हो रहा है और उम्मीद करता हूं भविष्य में भी आपका सहयोग हमें इसी तरह से मिलता रहेगा। हमारे अन्य गेस्ट जो हैं, जो हमारे साथ ऑनलाइन जुड़े हुए हैं अभी, मैं उन सबका भी स्वागत करता हूं। आज के हमारे, मैंने पहले नाम लिया था प्रोफेसर करुणेश जी सक्सेना, जो इस प्रोग्राम के, जिनके कारण ये प्रोग्राम हो रहा है और आप सब उपस्थित हैं, उनका भी स्वागत अभिनंदन। ये आपका ऑफिशियल आखिरी महीना है, पर कुलपति जी ने उस दिन कह दिया था कि आप रिटायर नहीं होने वाले हो, और मैं मानता हूं कि एक औपचारिकता है, 31 अगस्त को आपकी सेवा का समय पूर्ण हो रहा है, पर सर, a teacher is always a student, and I hope the learning you are giving to all the people and the students will continue the journey। जैसे अमेरिका में होता है कि प्रोफेसर रिटायर नहीं होता है, वैसे मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है सक्सेना साहब भी रिटायर होने वाले नहीं हैं। शीघ्र ही आप कोई ना कोई नया असाइनमेंट सुनेंगे और वो बड़ा असाइनमेंट होगा। तो इसके लिए सर आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हनुमान जी का स्वागत मैंने कर दिया है। मैं यहाँ पर जितने हमारे विभिन्न सत्रों में रहे हुए चेयरमैन, को चेयरमैन, होस्ट, को होस्ट और कीनोट स्पीकर्स, उन सब का मैं एक बार पुनः स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूं। आप सब छात्रों का, आप सब रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स का, पधारे हुए अतिथियों का, सबका मैं एक बार पुनः बहुत बहुत स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूं। आशीष जी हमारे सामने बैठे हैं, संजय जी हमारे सामने बैठे हैं। सर मैं थोड़ा सा नाम, मास्क में नाम नहीं आ रहा है, मुकेश जी बैठे हैं हमारे सामने। ये इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के सर्वप्रथम छात्र छाबड़ा साहब विराजे हुए हैं, राष्ट्रीय मैडम बैठी है, प्रोफेसर BL वर्मा बैठे हैं, इन सब का, और एजुकेशन फैकल्टी से अर्पणा सिंह जी बैठे हैं। हाँ, इन सब का मैं स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूं। मैं उस दिन हमारे जो दोनों होस्ट हैं उनको धन्यवाद में भूल गया था, पर आज मैं आपका स्वागत और अभिनंदन करता हूं। मैं उस दिन के लिए माफी भी मांगता हूं, मैं नाम नोट तो करा था पर भूल गया, पर आज आपका स्वागत अभिनंदन में जरूर मैं ध्यान रखता हूं। आपने उस दिन भी बहुत शानदार कंपेयरिंग करी और आपकी कंपेयरिंग की पूरे विश्वविद्यालय में चर्चा है। तो एक बार पुनः आप सबका स्वागत अभिनंदन, और आप सब लोगों ने पधार कर हमारे इस प्रोग्राम को जो शोभामान किया है उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद सर।
I will now invite Ms. Renu Nagori, Member of Organizing Committee, Faculty of Management Studies, Mohanlal Sukhadia University, for report reading.
Good morning to one and all present here in this August gathering. Please accept my due regards. I'm here to read the report of this 3-day international conference. As our very own Professor Meera Mathur ma'am is not well, and due to the health issues, I have to move on with the report on Madam's behalf. So it was a very exciting and intellectually stimulating 3 days international conference on standardizing management practices, challenges and opportunities at Faculty of Management Studies, Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur, Rajasthan, India, from August 12 to 14, 2021. The main purpose of organizing this conference was to bring the luminaries from industry and academia under one roof to deliberate on standardizing management practices, challenges and opportunities by business organizations in the contemporary business world. This international webinar or conference has got 200 plus registrations from various cities of India and participants from Bangladesh, Nepal, Philippines, etc. This conference brought together corporate executives, faculty members, and research scholars and keynote speakers from different places, making this conference a grand success. I congratulate all the participants and keynote speakers for their valuable inputs and presence. There were total 5 tracks which were chaired by resource persons and keynote speakers in individual tracks. The track 1 was dedicated to finance. In this track, 46 papers were shortlisted and papers were presented covering various topics pertaining to the field of finance. Some of the topics covered in the researches in this track were from the areas of mergers in banking sectors, green finance, studies on financial literacy in various segments of the society, studies on the financial performance of public and private sector banks, development banks, and some private companies on the basis of various financial parameters. Track 2 was dedicated to marketing. Here, total 43 papers were shortlisted. Papers presented were focused on neuromarketing, paradigm shift in habitual use of technology, role and importance of online reviews and ratings, and insurgence of e-business. The third track was on human resources. Total 47 papers were shortlisted. The papers presented talked about the positive, significant relationship between organization climate.
सर को दे दिया
उद्बोधन का सादर अनुरोध प्रोफेसर अरविंद कुमार।
Thank you, ma'am. A very honorable dignitary on the dais, of the dais, a very intellectual gathering of this closing ceremony, faculty members, students, and guests. It's a very difficult for any individual to say something while the topic of discussion is almost over. But being an academician, a teacher cannot stop to speak as it is a common phenomenon, it is a feature, it is the characteristics of any faculty. The main thought of the seminar was on management issue. Friends, after completion of your master degree in management, you may be a successful manager, you may not be a successful manager. Why that distinction is here? Because it all depends on the effectiveness, efficiency of any individual. After completion of program, until and unless you are not well experienced, you cannot take right decision at the right time. This is a very important issue for manager. One example I would like to say over here, your teacher is one, your examination hall is one, the time schedule for taking examination is the same for every student. Why they are securing a different marks? Of course, it is only the presentation. It is only the efficiency and effectiveness of any candidate who is taking examination. In the same pattern, it is very important once you come in corporate world after completion of MBA program, you have to earn your experience. Most of the corporate world invite the MBA student with experience. Why that with the experience? Because experience expertise the excellence. In the absence of experience, you will not supposed to be a good decision maker. I'm from Lucknow, so the way of presentation is, of course, a little bit different from others. एक शेर है, वो तो लाशें हुआ करती हैं जो पानी में तैरती हैं। वो तो लाशें हुआ करती हैं जो पानी में तैरती हैं। हम जिंदों को डूबकर फिर पार उतरना होगा। The thoughts of this line is, until and unless you are not making a good effort to work, you cannot be supposed to be called an effective and efficient fellow of that corporate world. It is a managerial skill which ought to be earned by a time, by an experience, by way of working. जब तक आप गलती नहीं करोगे, आप एक नई चीज नहीं सीख सकते। रामायण में कहीं पे एक रेफरेंस आता है, जब रामचंद्र जी वनवास को जा रहे थे, तो उनके पैर से एक पत्थर टकराया और वो पत्थर अहिल्या बन गई, जिसको ये श्राप था कि तुम एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम तक इंसान के रूप में नहीं बनोगे। The moral of this story is nothing but लेसन आपको केवल बड़ों से नहीं मिलता है, लेसन आपको छोटों से भी मिलता है। आप ऊपर देख के चलोगे तो ही सक्सेस मिलेगा, ऐसा नहीं है, आपको नीचे भी देखना होगा। This is also very important for any academician, any faculty member in education sector. Up to 10+2 standard, we are a teacher. टीचर ने जो कह दिया वो ध्रुव सत्य है, उससे अगल बगल बात मत करना। स्टूडेंट हैड अ फियर, अरे मेरे टीचर ने कहा है वही सही होंगे, हम क्या जाने। But once you come in higher education, that pattern of learning is not a teaching, that is called interaction. And interaction define that your teacher speaks something, but there is a probability the slip of mind, slip of chalk, slip of tongue. So any teacher may commit mistake during his discussion. So in a higher education, every student have the power, have the right to respectfully ask to the teacher, sir, probably this is incorrect. Is it true? That means here the teacher is not a god. Here, teacher is a person who will interact with the student, and teacher will learn from the student and student will learn from the teacher, and that is called interaction. In management, as I have already focused, that effectiveness, efficiency will come after experience. With one more line, I would like to complete my talk. It is very reference to context. किसी शायर ने लिखा है, हर हंसी मंजर से यारों फासले कायम रखो. If a beautiful thing is before you, keep distance. Don't try to get it done immediately. Why? आगे की लाइनिंग है, हर हंसी मंजर से यारों फासले कायम रखो, चांद गर धरती पे उतरा देख कर डर जाओगे. चांद is a symbol of beautification. It's a beauty. हमारे बड़े बुजुर्ग ने भी कहा है, चंद्रमा बहुत अच्छा, बहुत खूबसूरत है, but दाग उसमें भी है. So that line is here. हर हंसी मंजर से यारों फासले कायम रखो, चांद गर धरती पे उतरा देख कर डर जाओगे. जिंदगी के चंद लम्हे अपने खातिर भीड़ रखो, भीड़ में ज्यादा रहोगे, खुद भी गुम हो जाओगे. Moral is that if you are a manager, if you want to be a successful manager, remember, you have not to follow the say of others. You have to create your own place where the people will follow you. Thank you very much.
ब्रह्मांड की सारी शक्तियां हमारे अंतर निहित है. आपके अकादमिक, आध्यात्मिक, ज्ञानमय विचारों से प्रभावित किया. आपका धन्यवाद.
Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Now, the person who consumed himself for 37 years to change the society and light the darkness in the minds of his scholars, I courteously invite Professor Karunesh Saxena Sir, Director IQAC and Professor, Faculty of Management Studies, Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur, to enrich us with his insight. Professor Karunesh Saxena.
Good morning to all of you. I have been allotted 5 minutes, but with the permission of the dais, I would like to take 8 minutes. My most honorable and most respected Guru, Professor Rajkumar Jain Sahab, I offer my Charan Sparsh to you, sir, virtually. We would have loved to be with you today here in physical mode, but because of the age factor and because of the corona pandemic, it was not possible and neither advisable for sir to travel such a long distance. But sir, you are in our hearts, and so definitely we feel your presence, even though it is a virtual online, but we feel that you are here with us in our hearts. From that generation to this generation, I would also like to offer on record my most sincere appreciation to Professor Hanuman Prasad, and please put your hands together for him, because this all show has been possible just because of the thought that Professor Hanuman was having, that he has to organize this conference in my honor. And it is a very, very appreciable gesture, not only by me, but by each and every member of the teaching fraternity in the country, whomsoever is coming to know. And so I think that such kind of noble practices will continue, and you have become the initiator for this. We have in the online mode our very senior respected academician, Professor B.P. Bhatnagar Sahab. I also offer my salute to you, sir, for serving this university and guiding us for all these years. So your presence is very sincerely acknowledged by all of us. Turning our attention to the dais, our officiating Vice Chancellor, Honorable Professor G.S. Rathod Sahab, who is like my younger brother and a very learned academician in the field of mathematics. Our guest from Lucknow, who is just like my elder brother, as we have spent decades together in the academic field, Professor Arvind Kumar. Professor Arvind Kumar has a very rare distinction of being the president of All India Commerce Association, as well as the president of All India Accounting Association, and both in the same year. So please put your hands together for Arvind sir. And if I am not wrong, this is probably the first time that Arvind sir has undertaken journey ever since the corona pandemic broke out. And that was just because of the love and affection that he has for me in particular, and for all of us FMS in general. He has visited us in the past also, but this time he was a bit hesitant, and I had been able to persuade him to come here. Thank you, sir. Our guest from Central University of Rajasthan, I would call Double Dean, Dean Faculty of Engineering and Dean Faculty of Management, Professor Uma Shankar Mishra. Professor Uma Shankar Mishra is a very, very learned academician in the field of management. So I would request you to again put your hands together for him. The kind of quality publications that Professor Mishra has and the kind of knowledge of research that he has. Some of you have been exposed to it in our online faculty development programs on research methodology. But here he is, and he has taken trouble to come all the way from Ajmer, driving himself. And that was the motivation of Hanuman sir, that you come driving yourself. And Mishra ji is not from Rajasthan. He is from Orissa, but then he became acquainted with Rajasthan terrain now that he has driven himself from Ajmer to Udaipur. Thank you very much, sir, for coming. My own dear colleague, Professor Anil Kothari, he is following me closely behind, and you will find in next 6 months, he will also be on the verge of retirement. So I offer my best wishes to him for these remaining 6 months, as well as the happy retirement. Of course, I'll also come for that function, but in advance, sir. Our very esteemed colleagues from the university, Dr. Rajshri Chaudhary, Dean, University College of Law. She was very nice and graceful in attending the inaugural function as well as the valedictory function. You are most welcome, madam. Our dear friend from the University College of Commerce, Professor B.L. Verma sahab, who is not only a colleague, but a very dear friend also. And so his love for me is never ending. And that is why you will find Verma ji always present in all my functions. Thank you very much, sir. Dr. Alpana Singh, who is not only a colleague, but a family member also, because her husband, Professor Ashok Singh, was our very esteemed colleague for so many decades. And madam is very graceful in bringing her team along and making this function a very, very nice one. So thank you, madam, you and your team. Our younger generation colleagues who provide me a lot of energy in whatever I do in the interest of the university. Dr. Avinash Pawar. Dr. Avinash Pawar is the head Department of Computer Science and a very, very active member of my IQAC team. We missed you in the inaugural function, but you made it up by being here in the valedictory function. We are just now joined by the Dean, University College of Commerce, Professor P.K. Singh. Professor P.K. Singh, again, is not a colleague only, but a very, very dear family friend. And you can say that when I joined in 1997, Professor Singh was already continuing in this university. And so he was our guiding force. उदयपुर में कहाँ क्या अच्छा खाने का मिलता है, कहाँ कहाँ अच्छे कपड़े आप खरीद सकते हो, ये सारी गाइडेंस मुझे पीके सिंह साहब ने दी और उनका लव और अफेक्शन अभी भी कंटिन्यू है और जीवन भर रहेगा. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming today, as well as you were there in inaugural function also. Thanks a lot, sir. I was saying about the young faculty members giving me a lot of energy. मैं अपने लालच से उनके साथ रहता हूं ताकि युवा बना रहूं. So Dr. Sachin Gupta is here from University College of Commerce. So thank you, Sachin, for being a very powerful force behind this conference. Thank you. All the learned delegates who have come from different parts of the country, braving the corona pandemic, like our dear friend from Delhi who has come, Mr. Sanjay Sharma. He is the CEO. He is the Chief Executive Officer of Skill Council for Mining Sector. Erstwhile, he was with Hindustan Zinc Limited in HR as a very senior manager. Sanjay ji has enthralled all of us on the evening of 12th of August in the cultural function when he has given very nice performance with his saxophone, I think, and wonderfully appreciated and acknowledged by all the delegates who were available at that time. Thank you very much, Sanjay ji, for being here. We look forward to more interactions with you in future also. I would be failing in my duty if I do not acknowledge more than 90 persons who have joined online. So here we are having roughly around 50, 60, and now the number might be nearly 100, because when I was coming to deliver my speech, I checked in my mobile phone. I went online, the Google Meet, and I could find somewhere around 95 or 96 attendees at that time. So their silent presence is really to be acknowledged, and I would like to very loudly acknowledge your presence in the online mode. You have taken very keen interest in the deliberations of this conference. Again, we are having a very, very vibrant team in FMS. Of course, Hanumanji will definitely acknowledge all of them in his vote of thanks. But I am very deeply touched by the love and affection of each and every member of Faculty of Management Studies and the Department of Hotel and Tourism Management and the staff of University Guest House, that they have worked day and night tirelessly. And I did not hesitate to call some of them even around midnight or early morning, and everybody was highly responsive. Your hard work has made this 3 days international conference a grand success. So put your hands together for yourself. Last but not the least, my senior most student, not in that way, Hanumanji is senior most because he was number one. He was my first PhD student. Many of you may not be knowing, but then senior most in age, Dr. K.K. Chabda is there. And so I would like to acknowledge him also. You were there, sir, in inaugural as well as in valedictory. Your presence motivates me. Thank you. I would just like to take 2 more minutes, sir, if permitted. Hanumanji, हो गया है वैसे 10 मिनट हो गए हैं करीब. That whatever I have learnt in research and whatever I have been able to give back to the society in the form of 42 research scholars who have been awarded PhD so far and 9 more scholars who are pursuing their PhD under my supervision. I would like to tell all of you that Gangotri for all of this is Professor Rajkumar Jain, sir. Because from him, I have learnt the basics of research. I was a very raw assistant professor in Vikram University, Ujjain, and I had no idea what research is. I simply approached my guru, Professor Jain, who was very reluctant to take me, who said, कि यार तुम एक काम करो, वो राव के पास जाओ. Professor Nageshwar Rao, who is at present the Vice Chancellor of Indira Gandhi National University, he was our director. So Guruji told me that you go and approach Rao Sahab and you do your PhD under him. But I kept on insisting and I kept on requesting him because he was professor in my department only. So on a daily basis, I used to approach him. Then after 6 months, he relented and then he took me in. And I would say that when I look back in my journey of last 32 years, I find that that was one of the best decisions of my life that I have taken at that time by coming under the tutelage and patronage of my guru, Professor Rajkumar Jain, sir. Because those of you who have met him, you will find that he is, like I was saying in the inaugural, he is just like God, Devta, Bhagwan. क्योंकि कोई छल नहीं, कोई कपट नहीं, कोई बैर नहीं, कोई बुराई नहीं, सबका भला, सबका अच्छा करना और अच्छा करके भूल भी जाना. Because even if he will come and take somebody's PhD viva and all, next time again when he will come, he will ask कि भाई पहचाने तो लग रहे हो पर तुम्हारा नाम याद नहीं आ रहा. So like that, he has no expectations from anybody. And many of our senior friends like Singh Saab, Anil ji, Verma Saab, they all know this quality of sir. So friends, I think that we should also emulate him and keep our life simple. If we keep on living simply and keep on loving simply, then our life will be definitely fulfilled. As far as the topic is concerned, International Conference on Standardizing Management Practices, Challenges and Opportunities. I would agree with Arvind sir that so much water has flown now in Ganga because so many sessions have taken place, so many papers have been presented, all the keynote speakers, session chairpersons, they have showered their knowledge on all of us. But I would simply like to tell you that the choice of this topic is another brainchild of Professor Hanuman, because he has chosen this theme based on my own PhD research work, which I had undertaken in 1992 on the theme of total quality management and ISO 9000 quality management system. And I think that quality is highly subjective. I read somewhere that quality is like beauty. It lies in the eyes of the beholder. Quality is like diamond. From whichever angle you see, you will get a different image of it. And if you have to quantify quality, then it is one of the most difficult things. But then the standardization process just tries to attempt the same. An international organization for standardization, that is the full form for ISO. That time PK Singh sir was asking in the inaugural, right? So International Organization for Standardization, that is the short for, that is the full form of ISO. They have formulated so many standards, not only for quality, but for environment management, energy management. Practically now you will find that for each and every aspect of business, they have a standard. We were discussing informally. So Professor PK Singh was telling us that ISO has developed even a standard for how to curb bribery in the public life. And so that particular standard has not been made very popular. So I was jokingly telling him, somebody must have bribed ISO officials not to make it public. So anyway, this theme was really very interesting, and you all have put in your very much hard work to give this conference a very new flavor with your thoughts and with your ideas and with your vision. As a person, as an individual, these 3 days have been the most beautiful days of my life. And this is all possible because of love and affection of all of you, and especially Hanumanji. So I would just like to offer my deep gratitude to him, to my Guruji, to every one of you, and I offer my respects to all of you. Thank you.
Let noble thoughts come from all directions. Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Nothing great will be achieved without great men, and men are only great if they are determined to do so. We are happy to have with us the guest of honor, Professor Uma Shankar Mishra, Professor and Head, Department of Management and Dean, School of Commerce and Management, School of Engineering, Central University of Rajasthan, Ajmer. Professor Uma Shankar Mishra.
Good morning, all of you. Respected Professor R.K. Jain, Chief Guest of this session, President of the session, Professor G.S. Rathore, Professor Saxena, Guest of Honor, Professor Arvind Kumar, Professor Kothari, Professor Hanuman Prasad, and Professor Arvind Kumar, all the members present over here on the dais, of course, and of course, all the respected people who are attending this validated session online. First of all, this is my first visit to Udaipur. In fact, just 1.5 years ago, the visit to Rajasthan was also my first visit in my life. So, so when I was in MBA program as a student, and again I became the teacher in MBA program, always I was thinking that to go Rajasthan, because that is the only state which I have not covered in my life. And thing is that when vacancy came in advertisement, Central University Rajasthan professor in management, I applied, and thank God I got that opportunity. And I joined Central University Rajasthan as professor in 19th December in 2019. And after that, after 2 months, again, I got the letter from Vice Chancellor sir that you are the Dean of School of Engineering and Technologies. Then I got surprised, sir. How can I manage this engineering student? That two MTech students is okay, but BTech students, generally we have the perception BTech students are very notorious students, and they always create some problem. But in fact, I accepted the challenge because in my previous university, that is Shiksha Anusandhan University, and we are having many programs of engineering, medical science, nursing, law, and I was teaching this research methodology to almost in all the programs of engineering and pharmaceutical science, medical science. So I used to acquainted with those type of people and that type of system of engineering. So I accepted that, and again, just 3 months back, again I got another letter that you have to also take care of your own school, that is School of Commerce and Management as the dean. So always I was thinking that how to conduct one seminar, conference, FDP workshop, all this type of thing. But when now in this age of digital era, we are always acquainted in busy in WhatsApp chatting, and we are having one group, FDP group of IIM Ahmedabad, because Professor Hanuman Prasad is the most loving friend of mine because of that FDP. At IIM Ahmedabad, both of us were doing, along with Ashish Parikh sir also, we were doing FDP in 2004-5, and that FDP group is still active. So every day morning, just weekly once or once in 2 weeks, you can get the message from Professor Hanuman Prasad that something is going on in this university, Mohanlal Sukhadia University. So I asked him that, are we event manager या professor? So इतने सारे event को किसे manage कर सकते हो तुम? So sometimes this week FDP, next week workshop, next week again cultural program, next week seminar, webinar, lecture series. So he's not getting tired, in fact. So that's I salute Professor Hanuman Prasad who can manage all these type of events, because I can do such type of organizing of many events every week, every month, that type of thing. So I'm really thankful to all the management committee members of this conference, because it is very, very well organized, because I reached at this place after inaugural session, but I was just looking all the sessions, all the technical session, all the tracks of different type of discipline. It is well managed, and because I am a foodie person, I I must appreciate the quality of food being served in this conference. And the thing is that standardizing the management process, management practices, challenges and opportunity. No doubt the challenges are a little bit more in the current age of pandemic situation because of this virus, dangerous virus. So that's three things all of us should remember, that in order to survive in our business world, in order to sustain, or in order to achieve the sustainability of our business or our service, that first give the priority to the customers, and second priority in the same way you have to also give the priority to your own employees. So protection of your employees and strategizing the so what is that, all the management processes, so that you have to be survive, you have to change the system of older system to a newer system. So that type of thing always you have to take care, because once you lose the trust of your customer and once you lose the trust of your employees, then no business can be sustained. So first of all, you have to take care of your customers' belief, your customers' trust, your employees' beliefs, your employees' trust upon you. So that is the most important thing. And obviously, this is the age of this time, COVID time. Obviously, this is a more riskier time. So how to manage that risk and how to handle that type of risk, how to reduce that type of risk. So that type of approach all of us should take care. And most of the CSR initiatives you have to conduct, because CSR initiatives along with in collaboration with some other organizations like your NGOs or all type of big corporate houses. So through these CSR initiatives, you can also cut the cost, you can control the cost, and that will be giving more benefit to the migrant workers, because most of the employees, most of the workers, even they have lost their job, even now they are struggling how to survive in life. So that type of approach, because now CSR is the first priority rather doing the own business in corporate. So all the CSR activities, because we have to join our hands combinedly. So this is this type of things always we have to take care in our mind. And so far as the conference is concerned, already have told that it's a very, very beautiful conference which was organized by Mohanlal Sukhadiya University Faculty of Management Science Studies. And again, today morning or yesterday, I can remember Professor Hanuman Prasad was also saying that coming month he's again going to organize another event. So I told, okay, you keep on organizing the events, and I am also thinking to organize one event, and I want to make collaboration with this university, because when new Vice Chancellor will join, then definitely I will put one proposal that in collaboration with Mohanlal Sukhadiya University, the Central University of Rajasthan will organize so many workshops and so many faculty development programs, so many MDPs also, and so that people from this place can go there and people from that place can come here, and so many research projects can be organized in collaboration with other university. And Mohanlal Sukhadiya University will be obviously my first priority to consider for collaboration purpose, and if possible will also take initiatives to sign one MOU with the permission of the current Vice Chancellor of this university, so that students exchange program, faculty exchange program, and all sorts of training can be done by both Central University of Rajasthan and Mohanlal Sukhadiya University, Udaipur. And again, we are also taking some initiatives to collaborate some research projects with NIAM Jaipur, and probably next month the Ministry of people will come to our university, and they are also looking for all the rural belt area where the agricultural sector has to be improved, and how in the during this pandemic phase, how to create the enhancement of that marketing system of agriculture and the production system of agriculture. So that type of initiatives we have to take, and single-handedly maybe Central University of Rajasthan will not be possible. It is not. It will be very difficult. So definitely 2 or 3 university in collaboration form, if we will run that project, that will also be okay. So I have also thought to collaborate that project along with MDS University Ajmer and this Mohanlal Sukhadiya University of Udaipur, because this type of things I have in my plan for the coming 2 to 3 years. And thank you all. And particularly thank you, Professor Saxena, Karunesh Saxena, and Professor Kothari, and last but not the least, all the student friends and all the research scholars, those who are actively involved in organizing this type of event, and hope this type of event जब तक हनुमान जी है इवेंट का कोई एंड नहीं होगा. ओके, टिल रिटायरमेंट ऐसे चलता रहेगा हर साल. ओके, so it is not the end point. So definitely this is just the beginning, and no doubt because both conducting or organizing one event both in online and offline, how much it is tedious or difficult, that everybody can know. But in spite of that type of risk, it is well organized and very much because all the technical session, I was also in technical session track 3 marketing, and I came across so many research papers, and most of the research papers are also because of lack of time we could not give chance for presentation purpose. So it shows the motivation of all the people all over India, all over world even, because so many papers I already have gone through from foreign countries also. So they have shown interest to send the research paper to participate in the event. So I think it's a very, very good thing this university is doing. Thank you. Thank you all.
Trust is the most vital standard for management practices. Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your deep knowledge with us. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. We are delighted to invite Professor R.K. Jain, Dean and Director, JNIBM, Vikram University, Ujjain, as Honorable Chief Guest of the valedictory ceremony for his address. Sir is joining us online today.
Good morning to all of you. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
You're clearly audible, sir.
Okay. So I'll be talking a mixture of Hindi and English. कि कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं कि जो हिंदी में ही कहने अच्छी लगती हैं. सबसे पहले मैं हनुमान जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगा, क्योंकि उनके कारण ये पॉसिबल हो पाया. सेकेंडली, जब करुणेश जी मेरी तारीफ कर रहे थे, मेरी आंखों में आंसू आ गए. क्योंकि इतना ग्रेटफुलनेस शायद मैंने जिंदगी में कहीं किसी को नहीं पाया. करुणेश जी कह रहे हैं कि 6 महीने तक मैंने कहा कि नहीं करो और दूसरी जगह कर लो. तो ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कुछ रिलक्टेंट था. मैं डरा हुआ था कि पता नहीं मैं उतना कुछ नॉलेज दे पाऊंगा कि नहीं दे पाऊंगा. मुझे अपनी नॉलेज पर डर था, क्या मैं उतना. बट ही वॉज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, वेरी रिसेप्टिव. कभी हमारे में आपस में डिस्कशन होती थी, मैं कहता था अभी ये कर लो या ये कर लो या ये रेफरेंस ढूंढ लो, ये डाटा उठाकर सब इसको सब्सटेंशिएट कर लो. तो आई थॉट कि अभी 1 हफ्ता तो गया. बट ये नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग मेरे सामने कि सर ये तो हो गया, अब आगे बताओ. तो मुझे लगता है कि शायद ये मैंने इनसे ज्यादा सीखा रादर देन कि इन्होंने मेरे से सीखा. बट स्टिल आई एम ग्रेटली ऑनर्ड कि मैं शायद दूर से ही आपसे सब लोगों की बातें सुन रहा हूँ और कर रहा हूँ. और मेरे दिल में इस समय बहुत ज्यादा दुख है कि मैं अपनी सेफ्टी के कारणों से इस उम्र में मैं ज्यादा रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहता था, तो फिजिकली वहां प्रेजेंट नहीं हो पाया. मेरा दिल बहुत करता है कि मैं आता और वहां 2 दिन रुकता, सबसे मिलता. मोहनलाल सुखाड़िया यूनिवर्सिटी में लगभग सभी टीचर्स, मैं कई बार पीएचडी के लिए वहां पर आया हूँ वाइवा वोसे के लिए, इतना स्नेह दिया है, इतना प्रेम दिया है सभी ने कि मैं भूल नहीं सकता. And this university has been continuously, when Karunesh ji was there, now Hanuman ji is there, they have continuously been organizing one thing or the other. और हर बार मेरे पास इनविटेशन भी आता है और मैं अपनी मजबूरियों के कारण अक्सर नहीं आ पाता हूँ। दिल बहुत करता है कि मैं सबके साथ बैठूं, फिर वही प्रेम भरी बातें सुनूं, आपका स्नेह लूं, नहीं हो पा रहा है। For all this, having organized this conference, Hanuman ji and all the faculty members and all the students and all who have worked very hard to make it a success on my behalf, because I'm getting this opportunity to talk to you all. I'm grateful to you. चाहे मैं दूर से ही लेकिन आपके साथ हूँ. So thank you so much of you, and I hope sometime in future you get a chance to be together and meet again with each other. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for taking time in your valuable day for us. Thank you so much. It gives us immense pleasure to announce the launch of book New Paradigms in Management Education Vision 2025. It is a book with that has papers from the conference held on 28th and 29th November 2019. The editors of the book are Professor Anil Kothari sir, Dr. Swati Bandi, Ms. Shreya Singhvi. Thank you all.
प्रबंधन अध्ययन संकाय मोहनलाल सुखाड़िया विश्वविद्यालय द्वारा आयोजित 3 दिवसीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन के समापन सत्र में अध्यक्ष पद पर सुशोभित प्रोफेसर GS राठौर, डीन कॉलेज ऑफ साइंस मोहनलाल सुखाड़िया विश्वविद्यालय से उच्च शिक्षा में वैज्ञानिक सोच एवं युवा पीढ़ी को प्रज्ञावान समावेशी अनुभवों से अभिप्रेरित करने अध्यक्षीय उद्बोधन का सादर अनुरोध। प्रोफेसर GS राठौर।
Good noon to all. First of all, I would like to remember our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor America Singh ji, who is still working to collect the finance from the outsources to make the university financially strong. And today, he is in Bombay and have a meeting with the Ambani families and the Tilkat Maharaj of Nardwara. We have a great hats to him. Now I would like to come to our dais, online dais, which is sitting over here. The chief guest of this 3 days international conference on the standardizing the management practices, challenges and opportunities 2021, Professor R.K. Jain Saab, who has joined online to us, ex-Dean Director, JNIB, Vikram University, Ujjain. And special guest, Professor D.S. Chundawat, Vice Chairman of Rajasthan State Council, I think who is not here just to busy his some another schedule. So his blessings are with us. Professor Arvind Kumar, ex-Dean Faculty of Commerce, University of Lucknow, and we have heard a lot from him. Professor Uma Shankarji Mishra, HOD of Management and Dean School of Commerce and Management School of Engineering, Central University of Rajasthan. My younger brother, Professor Hanuman Prasad ji, Director, FMS, and Chairman of this conference, Professor Meera Mathur, who is not here today. Even he could not attend this conference on the inaugural function due to his some problems. Distinguished guests who have come over here to deliberate their talks and to present their research papers, articles in this conference. My dear colleagues, which are sitting over in front of me, Professor P.K. Singh ji, my colleague Dean, College of Commerce and Management Studies, Dr. Avinash Pawar, HOD of Computer Science, our Dean, College of Law, Rashi Chaudhary ji, my colleague Professor Verma ji from Commerce, and Dr. Alpana Singh and his team. It's my great privilege to be here in the cloud of the managers and the experts of management. Myself is a student of mathematics, but I am very weak in the management. When I see to my colleagues, Professor Hanuman Prasad ji, then I think he's a man in a small size, but it is a full of managerial skills and knowledge. Then being a student of mathematics and associated with the physics also, I have a concept of in mind that there is a concept of a black hole in the sky. And we all know that what is a black hole? Black hole is a thing when you concentrate a very huge mass in a very, very small volume, then it's changed its character. When everyone goes near to him, then it attacks to him and put it inside him. And if a person which is sitting inside him cannot escape outside, and it has a very, very great gravitational force. So that is the character of Shri Hanuman Prasad ji. If you go inside, you cannot come outside. And he will take care of you in all respects. That is the character of it. And he is a son. Okay. We also have blessed with our elder brother, Professor Chundavaji. I think he might heard with these words. He has given about 50 crore rupees through RUSA, and we are still thinking about more from him. But certainly, he will provide us a huge amount for the development of the university. In such a COVID situation, the heads of the organization and participants, especially to our guests, we should hats off it. That who have spared their valuable time for us and organized a beautiful 3 days international conference, which is more offline than online. I think this is the first offline conference which is less online after this slightly comfortable COVID time. And looking into the COVID situation, in the standards, we know that needs to be changed, certainly. I think, but I am sure that such type of outstanding dignitaries have participated, some useful discussions have been taken place. I congratulate to our organizers, and a special thanks to Professor Hanuman Prasad for organizing this beautiful conference. Please give him a black clap. Thanks to all.
अनुभव ही जगत में सर्वश्रेष्ठ शिक्षक है. धन्यवाद सर.
We are inviting feedback from our guests and participants. For this, I would first of all like to invite Mr. Sanjay Sharma, CEO, Skill Council for Mining Sector.
A very good morning आई होप अभी आप कंटिन्यू बजेगा, टाइम लिमिट नहीं है शायद कल तो बज गया था घंटी 3 दिन का कॉन्फ्रेंस है, 3-4 मिनट का तो हक बनता हमारा भी। अनिल जी, थैंक यू फॉर सेटिंग द टोन इन द हिंदी। मुझे भी लगता है कि अपना देश अपनी भाषा है तो हिंदी में बात करना अच्छा लगेगा। सो एनीवे, स्वागत है इस गैलेक्सी ऑफ प्रोफेसर्स का। श्री राठौर साहब, श्री अरविंद कुमार जी, श्री उमा शंकर जी मिश्रा साहब, श्री कोठारे जी, श्री सक्सेना जी, जिनका बहुत तरीके से अच्छे तरीके से जन्मदिन परसों यहाँ मनाया गया था। हनुमान सिंह जी साहब, आप तो खैर आप तो पूरे माहौल के हीरो हैं। आपने इतना बढ़िया इवेंट किया राजस्थान में, छोटे से शहर के अंदर, और डिस्पाइट कोविड चैलेंजेस। एंड प्रोफेसर आर के जैन साहब जो ऑनलाइन जुड़े हुए हैं, बहुत बहुत आभार, बहुत बहुत सम्मान आप लोगों का साहब। मैं तो पहली बार एक इस तरह की वर्कशॉप में भाग लिया है। मैं हमेशा आया हुआ से HR प्रोफेशनल, लेकिन जब लगा कि उदयपुर से कोई एक आया प्रॉस्पेक्टर, सोचा क्यों नहीं हम भी लेके, काम तो बहुत कर रहे हैं फील्ड के अंदर, स्किलिंग को लेके और माइनिंग को लेके बहुत काम किया है वेदांता ने, हिंदुस्तान जिंक ने, और मैं जहाँ भी काम कर रहा हूँ LNT वगैरह में बहुत काम किए हैं। तो एक ख्वाब आया, और टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं कन्फेस करता हूँ कि मेरे को सब पेपर लिखने में 2 महीने लगे। हमें लगता था 8-10 पेज, आपने बोला 5000 वर्ड्स में पेपर देना, तो हमने प्रोटोकॉल सीखा कि पेपर बनता कैसे है। हमसे बात करा लो, भाषण करा लो, आप प्रेजेंटेशन करा लो, इंटरव्यू करा लो, लेकिन पेपर लिखने का हमको, आप हनुमान जी आप हमारे पहले मतलब वो हैं मोटिवेटर, जिनके तहत मैंने ये सीखा और पेपर लिखा। मेरे साथ 2 माइनिंग इंजीनियर भी थे वेदांता के, उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया, कुडेटा हेल्प किया, रिसर्च किया, बनाया, फिर फाइनली ट्यून किया। तो थैंक्स ए लॉट कि हमको ये मौका मिला इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके आपसे बातचीत करने का। बहुत बहुत आभार, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो नई लर्निंग हुई, नई स्किलिंग मेरी भी हुई, न्यू प्रोटोकॉल देखे आप कैसे कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हैं एक एकेडमिक सेशंस में। कॉर्पोरेट में अलग तरीके से होता है, आपके अलग तरीके से होता है। तो हमने आपके प्रोटोकॉल्स को देखा, मैंने बहुत वॉच किया, मैं बहुत कीन ऑब्जर्वर भी हूँ। नए मित्र बने, जैसे वो परसों गैदरिंग हुआ, बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम किया, तो सक्सेना साहब से मेरी मुलाकात हुई। अच्छा, वो आपने कुछ चंद शब्द बोल दिया हमारे बारे में, अच्छा लगा सब। आपकी बर्थडे भी बड़े अच्छे से बनी थी, बड़े अंदाज में बनी थी। तो आप बने दोस्त हमारे। एक हमारे मिस्टर PK सिंह साहब जो डायरेक्टर हैं IIM त्रिची के, उनसे मुलाकात हुई। बहुत ही जिंदा दिल इंसान है, बहुत ही मतलब उन्होंने एनर्जी इन्फ्यूज कर दी। मतलब परसों का जो इवेंट में बोला नहीं, मतलब ऑल्दो मैं उदयपुर से बोलन करता हूँ, ऐसे प्रोग्राम कई बार देखे हैं, लेकिन परसों जो माहौल बना, और जो मोहम्मद खान साहब जो लीड कर रहे थे, जिन्होंने जिस स्केल में जो उन्होंने अपने जो फोक सॉन्ग गाए, मेरा दिल बहुत गदगद हुआ है। तो उसके लिए आयोजकों को और उस टीम को अगेन बहुत बहुत स्नेह, बहुत बहुत उनका आभार और अभिनंदन। ये कहावत है कि अतिथि देवो भवो, हमारे राजस्थान की बड़ी कहावत है साहब, उसमें आपने पीछा नहीं छोड़ा। मतलब हम मान गए साहब, आपके यूनिवर्सिटी को, आपकी टीम को, आपके फैकल्टीज को आपने किस मतलब दिल से आप लोगों ने मतलब इसको पिरोया, इस सेशन को आपने पूरा प्रोग्राम किया है। स्पेशल थैंक्स टू मिस्टर वरुण, जो स्वयं मेरे को आप बैठे हैं, स्वयं मेरे को लेने एयरपोर्ट पे आए। आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग, ओला है, उबर है, लेकिन एक अपनापन था सर, ये नहीं मिलता दिल्ली में, मुंबई में, कहीं नहीं मिलता। लॉट ऑफ थैंक्स टू यू। श्री देवेंद्र, आपका बड़ा प्रोडक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन रहा है आपका व्हाट्सएप में, और आपने तो ऐसा बता दिया कि अब ये खाना खा लो, नाश्ता कर लो। ट्रैक 3 का इवेंट चालू हो गया है, ट्रैक 4 का चल गया है, आ जाए। तो बहुत अच्छा आपका था कम्युनिकेशन। श्री चंद्रशेखर जी, आपको तो दिल से बहुत बहुत आभार फॉर योर नाइस हॉस्पिटलिटी। आपकी जो टीम ने जो काम किया है, मुझे लगा कि इस एक डाउट था कि मेरी मैडम भी साथ में ही, संगीता जी बैठी हैं, शूट कर रही हैं, पता नहीं क्या सोच रही होंगी, लेकिन जब हमने लगा जो जिस तरह की आप सेवाएं दे रहे हैं, ये बच्चे लोग के किसी बाहर की कैटर के नहीं है। एक फीलिंग आया, इतना अच्छा हेयर कट, इतना अच्छा कॉस्ट्यूम, इतना अच्छा मतलब आप वक्त, तो दिल थोड़ा गार्डन हुआ, बाग हुआ, मतलब आपके हरित क्षेत्र में। तो बहुत बहुत आभार आपकी कैटरिंग टीम को, और जो भी आपकी जो फैकल्टी है, मतलब स्किल। मैंने इनको बातों में मैंने कहा भी, अब क्यों नहीं इसको नया आयाम देते, क्यों नहीं आप एक कॉर्पोरेट से जुड़ते हैं, हम आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं आप कांटेक्ट लेते हैं किसी कॉर्पोरेट में काम करने का, वहाँ के गेस्ट हाउस चलाएं, वहाँ के कैटरिंग सिस्टम चलाएं, पेंट्री चलाएं। मैंने कुछ सुझाव दिया था कि आप थोड़ा सा एक कदम आगे बढ़ाएं, तो हम लोग आपको हेल्प करेंगे। मतलब तो मैंने थैंक्स फॉर दैट। और कुंभा कला केंद्र को मैं मेरा आभार व्यक्त कर चुका हूँ, और नया कैंपस बहुत शानदार है, बहुत अच्छा ये मेंटेन है। और जो 12 अगस्त को जो सिंह साहब ने जो खुद जो गाने गाए थे और माहौल जो बनाया था, वो ही वाज ए गुड टीम बिल्डर, गुड टीम मोटिवेटर। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा सा हमको पूरा एक एक माहौल दिया, एक आइस ब्रेक बोलते हैं इसको हम लोग, सेशन जो मैनेजमेंट की भाषा में, वो पूरा किया, ये किया। और एक छोटा सा एक सुझाव है, इसको आप अन्यथा नहीं लें। एक मेरा मैं इस परिवार से बिलोंग करता हूँ, मैंने बीकॉम सुखाड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी से किया हुआ है 82 के अंदर। मेरा बचपन यहीं पे निकला है, R4 कैंपस के अंदर। घूमने का शौक है, मॉर्निंग वॉक में रोज कर रहा हूँ, रोज करता हूँ 1 घंटे का नियमित, 6 किलोमीटर का मेरा टारगेट रहता है। मैं आज कैंपस घूमा, 2 जगह जगह गली गली घूम के अपना घर भी देख कर आया, एक सेल्फी भी लेके आया। थोड़ी सी वहां पे ध्यान देने की जरूरत है मेंटेनेंस को लेके। वहाँ की जो बहुत हैवी वेजिटेशन हो रहा है और सड़कें थोड़ी सी बहुत खराब हो गई हैं। आपका एक जो अगला जो भाग है बहुत अच्छा कर रखा है, पीछे जो लोग रह रहे हैं, प्रोफेसर लोग जो रह रहे हैं, फैकल्टी लोग रह रहे हैं, मेरा मानना है कि अगर आप सराउंडिंग अच्छे रखेंगे तो उनके मन भी अच्छे होंगे, स्वच्छता बनेगी, और जो भी शिक्षा दे रहे हैं, जो भी आप नए आयाम स्थापित कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा बनेगा। छोटा सा फीडबैक, इसको डोंट टेक अदरवाइज। आपका जो भी वीसी साहब हो, जो स्टेट मैनेजर हो, उनको आप कन्वे करिएगा कि एक आउटसाइड फीडबैक है, थोड़ा सा वहां भी ख्याल करें, थोड़ा बजट बढ़ाएं, थोड़ा खर्चा करें। समझ गया मैं। सो एनीवे, जस्ट से छोटा सा फीडबैक था, तो मुझे वो अच्छा लगा। और हम तो कोशिश करेंगे जब कभी इस तरह के आप आयोजन करें, हम बिल्कुल, मैं तो चाहूंगा व्यक्तिगत रूप से कि मैं और पेपर लिखने की परंपरा करूं। आज 1 लिखा है, हो सकता है 2 करें, 11 करें, 21 करें, पर मैं जुड़ूंगा इस संस्था से और इस तरह के आयोजनों से। बहुत बहुत आभार आप सभी का, बहुत बहुत थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. Every celebration is an experience. The external fades away and the internal lingers and echoes in the depths of our hearts. We are reminded that events like this one are milestones paving way for future. As we come to the close of our valedictory ceremony, I invite Professor Hanuman Prasad, Conference Chair, Director and Chairman, Faculty of Management Studies, Mohanlal Sukhadia University, for making announcement of best paper and to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you. Respected chief guest of today's ceremony, my Dada Guru, my Grand Guru, Professor R.K. Singh Sahib, Professor G.S. Rathod Sahib, Dean, College of Science, Professor Arvind Kumar sir, Professor Uma Shankar ji, Professor Karunesh Saxena Sahib, Professor Anil Kothari ji, Deans of various colleges, participants, and my dear friends. At the outset, मैं भी शायद मेरे ख्याल से हिंदी में बोलूं तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। I would like to let you know, मैं आप सभी को ये बताना चाहूंगा कि जब मैंने PhD सबमिट की और जब मुझे अवार्ड हुई, तो एक शायद ये संस्मरण सर ने नहीं बताया होगा अपने उसमें कि मेरा वाइवा शायद 26 दिन में हो गया, 26 डेज में मेरा वाइवा हो गया। और वो इसलिए कि मेरी बड़ी इच्छा थी कि अगर मुझे कन्वोकेशन में, क्योंकि पहले अनिश्चितता थी कन्वोकेशन के बारे में, देयर वाज अनसर्टेनिटी रिगार्डिंग कन्वोकेशन, तो मेरी बड़ी इच्छा थी कि इस कन्वोकेशन में ही मुझे अवार्ड मिल जाए। और देन डीन पीजी, इफ आई एम राइट, आई थिंक DK भट्ट साहब थे, तो सर ने उनसे बात करके प्रोसेस जितना फास्ट हो सके करवाया और मुझे PhD 26 दिन के अंदर शायद अवार्ड हुई। उस समय मुझे एकलव्य की याद आई, सच बता रहा हूं, दिल की बात बता रहा हूं आपके सामने, आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग व्हाट वाज इन माय हैंड। एकलव्य की याद आई और सोचा कि कभी कुछ करने को मिलेगा, ईश्वर ने साथ दिया तो जरूर गुरुजी को नमन करूंगा। And with that feeling, I was waiting for the chance, and I would say that God is graceful for me, and God has blessed me a chance to be director of the institution at the time when my own guru is retiring, and that is retiring from job. And therefore, I thought of this, that I would make it, and we did not disclose. This was between me and Meera madam. When I became director, this was between me and Mira madam that we are going to organize a international conference, and we did not inform our sir, and we were thinking of this, that on which date we should do. So finally I and Mira madam thought of this, that why not let us choose date of birth as a day for conference. And then we decided finally that okay, we will go for that. And then we took permission first from the sir, that sir, if you do not have any engagement on those days, then we are willing to have, we are willing to begin with that date. And that is how sir has given permission. And then we put it in the we have put it into our departmental committee. And I would from my bottom of heart I would like to thank my colleague Professor Anil Kothari ji also, who supported the event. And we all finally launched the international conference by our honorable Vice Chancellor sir, or he has launched this, and then we have reached to this stage. So therefore this is the background of the conference, which I never wanted that I should share this in inaugural. I should share in the valedictory, and that is why I kept this thing for this day. So that is the thing. And I would say, I would first of all thank God for giving me this opportunity to organize such a conference on superannuation of my own guru, Professor Karunesh Saxena sir. So first, thanks to God. Then I would like to thank our honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor America Singh, who was there in inaugural ceremony. And today I asked him, and our GS Rathod Sahab is presiding over the function. He is so energetic. I have already mentioned, बहुत ही energetic हैं sir. Sir is there in Mumbai, as sir has mentioned, for Srinathji Center of Excellence. Once he has determined that he will do, he is there for getting funding for that. So that is why he could not be there. Otherwise he would have been here. And I would like to thank him. And then, you know, one more thing which I left in mentioning is this, that I decided that why not we should have experience of our sir, that is Professor Karunesh Saxena sir, and we can have a special lecture for that. And conference, usually you will find there is not such concept, but we have put this concept for the first time, I think, in India, wherein we have put lifetime learning lecture. And this concept also came from last lecture, wherein, you know, in foreign countries there is a provision that when people, because there is age 80, 85 whatsoever, and when you are not interested in teaching further, then you organize last lecture. But in our university kind of setup, we have only 60 years of age for retirement or superannuation. And you can understand that by experience, people gets more knowledge, and there is more need for the society to deliver the knowledge. So therefore, we thought of this, that no, last time lecture would not be appropriate thing. Then we thought that we will keep it as a lifetime learning lecture. And that is how we designed, and we kept that lecture. And this thing I have put in front of our honorable Vice Chancellor also today morning only. And we have decided, and we are going to decide, rather I am going to put up formal proposal, just I am announcing here. And if it is approved by our statutory bodies, then we would be implementing it. And I am announcing that this lifetime learning lecture will be organized every year by Faculty of Management Studies for inviting professors retiring from all over India to share their experiences in Faculty of Management Studies. हम लोग lifetime learning lecture हर साल, जैसे हमारे यहाँ सुखाड़िया मेमोरियल लेक्चर होता है, lifetime learning lecture मोहनलाल सुखाड़िया यूनिवर्सिटी के तत्वावधान में Faculty of Management Studies द्वारा ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाएगा, जिसमें हिंदुस्तान भर से जो भी प्रोफेसर्स रिटायर होंगे, उन प्रोफेसर से निवेदन किया जाएगा कि वो अपने जीवन का एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ आके शेयर करें. और मैंने कुलपति महोदय की अनुमति ले ली है. उन्होंने कहा आप इसको प्रपोजल को मूव करिए और आप अनाउंस करिए. उनके आशीर्वाद से वी आर गोइंग अहेड विद दैट. Today's presidents of the session, valedictory session, Professor G.S. Rathod, I have just invited him at 10 a.m. today. आज मैंने 10 बजे उनको फोन किया. उन्होंने मेरे को बोला यार आप बम फोड़ दो. मैंने कहा सर आप बम मान लो, लेकिन आपको आना है. You have to come here. And I am really thankful from bottom of my heart, sir. Without you, your presence, our stage would have been vacant. So we requested you, you came, and you have very noticeably given example of black hole. सर मैं तो साधारण आदमी हूं, आप जो कहें कह दें, दिल का एक एक रोम सभी के लिए है, जो चाहे आ जाए, और मेरी ये इच्छा रहती है हमेशा। इसलिए सर मैं आपको तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूं, और शायद ये आपने मेरे ऊपर एक एहसान किया है, और मैं आपके हमेशा साथ रहूंगा, क्योंकि 10 बजे किसी को कहो कि आपको प्रेसाइड ओवर करना है फंक्शन, और वो आ जाए और अटेंड कर ले, मतलब आपका स्नेह है सर मेरे प्रति, और मैं आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद तहे दिल से देना चाहता हूं। मैनी मैनी थैंक्स टू फ्रॉम माय साइड, फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी, ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ फैकल्टी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज ऑल्सो। वी हैव प्रोफेसर अरविंद कुमार साहेब, एक्स डीन फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लखनऊ। सर मुझे मौका तो नहीं मिला लखनऊ आने का, उस समय मैं आना चाह रहा था, लेकिन मेरे कोई और एंगेजमेंट है। मैं भी इंडियन कॉमर्स एसोसिएशन से जुड़ा हूं, और मुझे लेकिन सूचना मिली कि सर का वहां पे बहुत ही शानदार व्यवस्था थी, क्योंकि मेरे खुद के ब्रदर वहां गए थे उस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, और बड़ा अच्छी व्यवस्था थी। एंड वी रिक्वेस्टेड सर, sir has agreed, sir is busy person, and as it is rightly mentioned that sir मेरा भी लखनऊ में थोड़ा बहुत जानकारी है, और मुझे पता चला कि सर कहीं नहीं निकले हैं और पहली बार सर यहाँ आए हैं, और इसके लिए एक बार मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, पुनः आप लोग मेरी ओर से तालियां बजा के सर का हार्दिक अभिनंदन और धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर दैट यू आर हियर। माय फ्रेंड उमा शंकर मिश्रा, he is informal friend of mine. Informal friend means truly informal friend of mine. I have just asked him, you have to come. करना क्या है? कुछ नहीं, आ जा तुम, जो करना होगा देख लेंगे। So just this I have said, अरे मुझे आता नहीं गाड़ी ड्राइव करना, कैसे? मैंने कहा तू ड्राइव कर लेगा, you come, I know. I would just inform all the gathering today, online, offline, present here, that he is such a friend that when I went Bhubaneswar, so he was having lot of meeting and this and that, he asked his driver to give us sightseeing. हमें गाड़ी भेज दी, बोले आप sightseeing करा के लाओ, फिर हम हनुमान जी से मिलेंगे। So he is such a nice friend, and today also his presence has enhanced my confidence, increased my confidence, and therefore on behalf of Faculty of Management Studies, I would like to thank you, sir. As far as collaboration is concerned, sir, ML Sukhadia University, Faculty of Management Studies is always open for all kind of collaborations with permission of our Honorable Vice Chancellor. We are open. We have organized one FDP even with the Singar Pune. So we are always open, sir. Whatever proposal you tell us, we will be aggressively working for that. And my team is so strong. You just give me 2 days time. We will do everything. Team is so strong. This all management is done by team. Okay, about team, I would let you later on. Then we have our own Professor Saxena Sahib as his guru, and he has given me consent for organizing this event, and therefore I thank you, sir. Professor Anil Kothari also deserves special mention here. He has been always supporting in any event. देखिए मैं आपको बता दूं, सबसे ज्यादा मेरा और सर का ही मतभेद होता है, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा सपोर्ट मेरा और सर का ही होता है। मनभेद कभी नहीं, मतभेद हमारा बहुत होता है, हर चीज पे मतभेद होता है, हर चीज पे बातचीत में होता है, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा सपोर्ट भी कोठारी साहब का ही रहता है। एंड देयरफॉर फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट, सर, आई थैंक यू। वी हैव डीन्स प्रोफेसर पी.के. सिंह साहब, डॉक्टर राजश्री मैडम, आवर प्रॉक्टर प्रोफेसर बी.एल. वर्मा जी, डॉक्टर अविनाश जी। अविनाश जी की प्रेजेंस ऐसे नहीं आई सर, आप सोच रहे हो ऐसे आई है। अविनाश जी समझ गए कैसे आई है। मैंने कहा अविनाश जी से मैं नाराज हूं, अविनाश जी मेरे उस प्रोग्राम में नहीं आए, अविनाश जी को बोलना। थैंक यू सर, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड यू आर टू बिजी। हाँ बिल्कुल, फैकल्टी के पार्ट है बिल्कुल। तो मैंने सर तक मैसेज पहुंचवाया था, शायद पहुंचा होगा मेरे ख्याल से सर, लेकिन मैंने कहा था सर नहीं, सविनाश जी को फिजिकली चाहिए, बट ही हैज लॉट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी, और पर्टिकुलरली आईटी का जितना भी यूनिवर्सिटी में काम हो रहा है, अधिक 99.99% उनका ही रोल है. So therefore he is busy, too busy, but still you have found time. All of you are present here, and I, on behalf of Faculty of Management Studies, would like to thank you. Apart from that, online Professor BP Bhatnagar Sahib is present. Sir, I can see on the top of the screen you are there, sir, and your presence blesses us, sir. हम लोग बिल्कुल भाग्यशाली हैं सर कि आप हमारे सभी कार्यक्रम में हाजिर रहते हैं, उपस्थित रहते हैं सर. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, तहे दिल से धन्यवाद सर. Many thanks to you, sir. Yeah, at the age of 90 also, and in our all programs, sir. अभी उमाशंकर जी कह रहे थे कि कहाँ से इतनी एनर्जी लाते हो. ये एनर्जी यहीं से आती है. सारे कार्यक्रम में बीपी भटनागर साहब ऑनलाइन रहेंगे, आएंगे ही आएंगे. ये हमारे यहाँ चाहे वो कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन का प्रोग्राम हो, सर जरूर वहां प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. many thanks on behalf of Faculty of Management Studies, sir. आप हमारे बड़े हैं, आपका आशीर्वाद हमें हमेशा मिलता रहे. इसी तरह हम आगे से आगे कार्यक्रम करते रहेंगे. धन्यवाद सर. एक और सीनियर पर्सनालिटी हमारे साथ विराजमान है, छाबड़ा साहब, और छाबड़ा साहब की प्रेजेंस दोनों ही कार्यक्रमों में उपस्थिति वास्तव में तारीफ काबिल है सर. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको भी. और हमारे मित्र सचिन जी, पीएस राजपूत साहब, आपका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. संजय जी, जिन्होंने बड़ा शानदार बताया और बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि इंडस्ट्री के लोग भी अब रिसर्च की ओर बढ़ेंगे. सर, वी आर ओपन, वी आर रेडी. मैं बताना भूल गया कि मेरे पास 2 आर दोस्त हैं, आर फ्रेंड्स. एक आर फ्रेंड मतलब रिसर्च फ्रेंड्स. तो 2 रिसर्च फ्रेंड्स है, एक तो उमाशंकर और एक हेमेंद्र डांगी, जो कि अभी आज शायद कहीं गए हुए हैं. और जब भी कोई हमारी रिसर्च की वर्कशॉप होती है, हम इनको पकड़ते हैं. तो सर अपन भी कोलैबोरेट करेंगे, and we will organize a conference, and we will have a workshop wherein how industry people can write research papers. We would work on that. Maybe there are 10 people, maybe there are 20 people. आप सिर्फ इंडस्ट्री के 10-20 लोगों को इकट्ठा कीजिए, हम ऐसा एक रिसर्च पेपर, ताकि our interest is that you should also get involved in such kind of conferences. And I believe that maybe if you are also there in such kind of research activities, we may give some fruitful suggestions to the industry also, because right now we are doing for the academics, everything we are writing, and how industry people are taking it, maybe suspiciously they might be taking, or maybe lightly they might be taking. But when you will do research, they would understand that yes, one industry person is also there, so maybe they would be using it for their regular reason. I think if research conclusions are used by existing industries, then I think the real use of research is there. I forgot, I think, name of PK Singh Sahib. So thank you very much, PK Singh Sahib. You are also present here. अमित जी चले गए, मुकेश जी चले गए, लेकिन सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. हमारे स्टाफ मेंबर्स को स्पेशल थैंक्स. सारे स्टाफ मेंबर्स, पर्टिकुलरली मेनारिया जी, उपाध्याय जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. मेरी टीम के द्वारा ये कहा गया है सर कि आप किसी का नाम नहीं लेंगे, आप किसी का नाम नहीं लेंगे, सारी टीम एफएमएस ने कहा गया है. तो लास्ट में मैं उनको कहूंगा कि आप आगे आएं और सभी लोग यहाँ वो कहें, टीम एफएमएस के लिए 3 चीयर्स आई वांट. हिप 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 हिप. सैल्यूट टू द टीम एफएमएस, माय सैल्यूट. मेरे ख्याल से आई हैव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मेनी इवेंट्स, and this is the event when I was having very less stress, 0 stress. This time I was having, everything is done by them. May it be hotel management, may it be Faculty of Management Studies, may it be finishing school and placement cell, every one of them were doing like they are the conference chair. कॉन्फ्रेंस चेयर वो है, इस तरह से वो काम कर रहे थे सर. सारा टेंशन उनका है. मैं आया, आने से पहले यहाँ दीपक लग चुके थे, फ्लावरिंग हो चुकी थी. मैं परेशान हुआ, मैंने बोला कि भाई वो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट वॉल्यूम कहाँ तक पहुंचा, तो मालूम पड़ा सर रिलीज होने वाला है. मैंने पूछा सर्टिफिकेट तैयार है सर. मैंने पूछा भाई पार्टिसिपेंट्स की लिस्ट वेबसाइट पे आपने अपलोड नहीं की, डाटा जोर से. अरे सर एक बार वेबसाइट तो खोलो, उस पर अपलोडेड है. तो मैं खाली काम बता रहा हूं, उससे समझ जाइएगा सभी लोग one and all deserves special mention. And I am really, मैं ऋणी हूं आप लोगों का, इस तरह से शानदार से मेरे गुरु जी के सुपर इनोवेशन पे कॉन्फ्रेंस में आप लोगों ने जो काम किया है, जीवन भर नहीं भूलूंगा. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. I think I have, if I have forgotten anybody, I deem sorry for that. But for the participants, those who have, because sir, हमारे पास करीब 120 के आसपास participants physically आने के लिए तैयार थे, but we restricted it to 20 only. 20 लोगों, क्योंकि we had a, COVID norms kind of fear, so therefore we invited only 20. I deem sorry to all those who could not come physically here for the conference. I promise that next time, whenever the situations are over, I would personally invite you, and my personal dinner I would offer for you. Now, once again, thank you very much. Salute to one and all, to all the participants. I would also like to thank, पीछे से आगे अगर कहीं छूट जाता हूं तो मेरे पास आ जाता है, तो thank you, backup team. Media has given wide publicity to this event, and my special thanks to the media persons, all the news channels, those who have given us weightage coverage. Thank you very much. Now I would like to announce I have forgotten Dr. Alpna Singh Madam and her team. Dr. Alpna Singh Madam and her team, just I have given them a call, inaugural, valedictory, the beautiful voice. My God, this conference would not have been so gracious if these voices would not have been there. A big round of applause for them. Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you very much, Alpna Madam. Thank you. Now I would like to announce the names of best papers. So I believe we had no role in this. It was simply the chairpersons and the team. They have given best papers. We have got your papers evaluated first, and we have given some criteria on that, whatever scores we have got. Then the presentation marks have been added, and that is how the best papers have been awarded. I am proud to announce that in track 1, the best paper of this prestigious international conference is Mitali Gupta. Mitali Gupta, the title of her paper was Impact of Merger of SBI and its associate banks, Bharti Mahila Bank, on financial performance. That is the title. So many congratulations to Mitali Gupta. You will get your best paper certificate very soon. Because it is online also, therefore we are not physically giving. The best paper for track 2 of this prestigious international conference goes to Dr. Jyoti Jain and Dr. Garima Mathur for neuromarketing. Many congratulations to Jyoti and Garima. The best paper for track 3 of this prestigious conference goes to Zay Zivitha for her paper Impact of Organizational Climate and Job Satisfaction on Professional Development among Self-Financing Arts and Science College Teachers in Tirupattur district. The best paper for track 4 goes to Nabeen Sen, Sudarshan Bardhan, and Bibhas Chandragiri. Effectiveness of consignment stock policy under space limitation and deterioration. And the last, track 5. The best paper for track 5 of this prestigious international conference goes to Shaila Evelyn and Dr. S. Yuvraj. Please give them a big round of applause. Employee perception towards technological transformation in workplace. many congratulations to one and all those who have got Best Paper Award. And once again, thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Your spirit and enthusiasm has seeped through the hearts of all present. Thank you so much, sir.
नेशनल एंथम के पहले सारी टीम एफएमएस की हनुमान सर की अगुवाई में नीचे आ जाए सामने, और फिर इनके लिए आप शेयर करें, तब जाके काम चलेगा। आइए नीचे आप भी। सारी टीम
आइए
जल्दी जल्दी उठ के आए। जो इधर बैठे हैं वो भी इस टीम के पार्ट हैं, जो उधर बैठे हैं वो भी इस टीम के पार्ट हैं, वो भी सब आ जाएं। आप भी आ जाएं मैडम। हाँ। नहीं, अविनाश जी की टीम का पूरा कर देते हैं। सर बीच में आएंगे, पक्की बात है। नहीं, आप लोग यहाँ खड़े हो जाएंगे तो आप लोग आगे खड़े हो जाएंगे। थोड़ा जल्दी से आ जाएं। और तो क्या रहने क्या बाहर। हाँ, एक और आप लोगों को जानकारी दे दूं, इस गेस्ट हाउस की जिम्मेदारी हनुमान जी के ऊपर ही है, और हनुमान जी की टीम इस गेस्ट हाउस की इंचार्ज है पूरी। उस टीम ने आपको जो 2-3 दिन पूरी सेवाएं दी है, उसके लिए भी वो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद के पात्र हैं। पीछे जगह है, देवेंद्र आगे सर को सीढ़ियों पे आ जाओ। स्वाति यहाँ खड़े हो जाओ जगह इस पे। कुछ लोग आगे नीचे आगे जाना पड़ेगा। इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। और वो सर ने बोला था कि सबके लिए चीयर्स, तो इस टीम के लिए हिप 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 हिप। आप देखिए इन लोगों का अथाह प्रयास, अथाह मेहनत आज इस कॉन्फ्रेंस की परिणति के रूप में और समापन के रूप में आ रही है। सभी टीम मेंबर्स को बहुत बहुत बधाई। और इसके लिए वर्मा साहब एक कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं।
मोहनलाल सुखाड़िया विश्वविद्यालय के प्रांगण में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन के समापन सत्र के साक्षी सभी गणमान्य प्रबुद्ध जन से राष्ट्रगान के सह सम्मान हेतु यथास्थान खड़े होने का अनुरोध है।
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
The end of a story is a new beginning for many others. On this note, let's conclude a remarkable, memorable, and knowledgeable valedictory session. On behalf of the institution, we sincerely thank the dignitaries for being with us and enlightening us with their enthusiastic remarks. Our heartfelt gratitude to the deans and directors, professors, faculty, and everyone of Faculty of Management Studies and Mohanlal Sukhadia University family and the participants for their wholehearted support rendered in the success of this conference. Thank you all very much.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया. प्रबंधन अध्ययन संकाय नवीन लक्ष्यों के साथ सभी का धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता है.